Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the rest of the inside question answers from chapter number 6, Festivals we Celebrate. I provided 29 question answers in the previous video. If you have missed, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find that video from there. So this one is from ICSE board class 2. So let's start. Number 30. How do people celebrate Eid? People wear new clothes, go to mosque to offer namaz, greet Eid Mubarak to each other. People eat sevaya. 31. Which special sweet dish do people eat on Eid? People eat sevaya on Eid. 32. What is Guru Parab? Guru Parab is the birthday of the 10th Guru of Sikhs. 33. Who was the first Guru of Sikhs? Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. 34. How do people celebrate Guru Parab? People go to Gurudwara to offer special prayer, eat langar and take part in holy processions. 35. When is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. 36. Whose birthday do we celebrate on Christmas? Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. 37. How do people celebrate Christmas? People decorate their Christmas trees, visit church for midnight mass, sing carols and exchange gifts and cakes with friends and relatives. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring gifts for them. 38. Whom do the children wait for on Christmas? Why? Children wait for Santa Claus on Christmas to bring gifts for them. 39. What is the Sera known as and why? The Sera is known as Vijaya Lakshmi as it is the victory of good over evil. 40. How do we celebrate the Sera? Huge effigies of Ravana, Meghnad and Kumbhakarna are set to fire at the sunset. 41. Lord Rama killed Ravana on the Sera after a long battle. 42. Which festival is known as Festival of Colors? Holi is known as the Festival of Colors. 43. How do people celebrate Holi? People throw gulal, colors and water balloons on each other and greet each other. 44. Which sweet dish is prepared on Holi? Gujia is prepared on Holi. 45. When are harvest festivals celebrated in India? Harvest festivals in India are celebrated at the time of harvesting crops. 46. What does harvesting mean? Harvesting means cutting of crops when it is ready. Number 47. Name some major harvest festivals in our country. Some major harvest festivals in our country are Vaisakhi, Bihu, Pongal, Onam. 48. Where is Vaisakhi celebrated? Vaisakhi is celebrated in Punjab. 49. Which special dance forms are performed by people in Vaisakhi? People perform special dance forms called Bhangra and Gidda to celebrate their happiness. 50. Where is Bihu celebrated? Bihu is celebrated in Assam. 51. When is Bihu celebrated? Bihu is celebrated on 14th April every year. 52. Why is Bihu celebrated? Bihu is celebrated to mark the beginning of a new year. 53. Which special dishes are made in Bihu? People made many special dishes called pithas. 54. Which special dance form is prepared in Bihu? People perform special dance called Bihu to celebrate this festival. 55. Where is Pongal celebrated? Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. 56. How long is Pongal celebrated? Pongal is celebrated for 4 days. 57. When is Pongal celebrated? Pongal is celebrated in the month of January. 58. Whom do people worship in Pongal? People worship Lord Sun in Pongal. 59. How do people decorate their home in Pongal? People decorate their home with beautiful rangolis using rice and flower petals. 60. Which dish is made in Pongal? People make dish named Pongal, which is a sweetened rice boiled with lentils. 61. Where is Onam celebrated? Onam is celebrated in Kerala. How long is Onam celebrated? Onam is celebrated for 10 days. 63. What does Onam mark? Onam marks the return of King Mahabali. 64. What is Pukkalam? People decorate their homes with special floral arrangements in Onam called Pukkalam. 65. Which races are organized during Onam? The snake boat races called Vallamkali are organized during Onam. 67. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. 68. When is Children's Day celebrated? Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. 69. When is New Year celebrated? New Year is celebrated on 1st January. Okay, so these are the inside question answers. Total 69 question answers from this chapters. Number 6, festivals we celebrate. So this one is part 2. I have provided also part 1 from this chapter. If you have missed, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find that video from there. So that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.